Welcome back to Technogea's video. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can remove offline mode on Instagram. The first thing we are going to do is go to our Instagram application and go to Europe Live. In Europe Live, we can see the three lines appear. These lines, it's settings. We can see the space, how others can interact with you. Press in message and stories replace. Okay, and we can see this option. Press in. If the button is blue, is activate. The person see you are offline or online. Okay, this form. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and tell you what you thought of it. For more video, subscribe of Technogeas.